Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can update your Instagram Messenger if it is not updated. So let's start. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated to its latest version. For that, go to Play Store and search for Instagram. If it shows the update option, make sure you update it to the latest version. Then after, what you can do is tap and hold Instagram for a few seconds. Then after, go to app information. After that, go to storage and tap on clear cache. After you clear cache, go to Instagram. Then after, check if the messenger has been updated or not. If your messenger has been updated, then the messenger icon will appear on the top right side of the screen, as you can see it in my account. However, if it has not been updated, what you can do is go to your profile, then tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. If the update is ready, you will find update messenger at the bottom of this list. However, if the update option is not there is another method that you can do. For that, go to Facebook Messenger. Then after, tap on the three lines on the top left side of your screen. Go to settings, scroll below and you will find Meta Account Center. Go to see more in Account Center. Then after, make sure your Instagram account is connected to the messenger. For that, go to connected experiences and tap on add accounts. It will take you to the website of Instagram. Then after, log in with your Instagram account and it will be connected. As you do that, the option to update Instagram Messenger should be available. So in this way, you can fix the issue if Instagram Messenger is not updated in your account. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.